Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to make cornbread like cake. First, gather your wet ingredients. Whisk together 1 cup of milk, 2 large eggs, and 1/2 cup of melted butter. For that desired cake-like sweetness, incorporate 1/2 cup of granulated sugar. Make sure these ingredients are at room temperature to ensure a smooth, well-combined mixture. This step is crucial for a moist and tender crumb. Next, prepare your dry ingredients. In a separate bowl, whisk together 1 1/2 cups of cornmeal, 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Gradually add the wet mixture to the dry ingredients. Mix gently until just combined. Overmixing can lead to a tough cornbread, so stop as soon as no dry streaks remain. Now let's get ready to bake. Generously grease a 9-inch cast iron skillet or an 8x8-inch baking pan. This prevents sticking and helps achieve a golden crust. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Once the oven is ready, pour the batter into your prepared pan, spreading it evenly with a spatula. A properly preheated oven ensures a good rise. Finally, it's time to bake your delicious cornbread. Place the pan in the preheated oven and bake for 25 to 30 minutes. You'll know it's done when a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. The top should be a beautiful golden brown. Let it cool in the pan for about 10 minutes before slicing and serving. Enjoy your cake-like cornbread.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.